Family, what is poppin', y'all, man? I'm so glad to be back. I want to say thank each and every one of you guys for tuning in, checking out the video today. Listen, I know I've been gone off the scene for a few days, about almost a little over a week now. I can explain to y'all what happened. I don't want you guys mad at me. When it snowed, well, it just recently snowed in Dallas. It took me out. On top of that, I was moving, man. So like out here, it wasn't any way I can kind of find you guys any type of content, because in Dallas, like when it snowed, like they close everything. You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, for some reason in Dallas, it's like when the snow comes, we never prepared. Even though we know it's gonna snow, like we never prepared. So I had no way of like giving you guys any type of content. Like I was saying, on top of that, moving, it was just kind of tough for you, boy, man. But hey, we back today. We finna hit my favorite outlet store, Polo Ralph Lauren and Grapevine Muse Mall. Go ahead and see what they have. But they should have some dope things. It's been a minute since I went in here and seen everything they have. On top of that, you guys check your emails. I think they maybe be doing a 20% or 30% off, one of those. So you guys check your emails and stay tuned for that. So yeah, man, let's go in this store and see what they got. Come on. So man, as you guys can see, Grapevine, Muse, Ralph Lauren, fire. Once again, it's not been one time I feel like I go there and they do not have heat. Things what stood out to me today, like a lot of jackets and vests, especially like for the women's section. Men, I didn't really do a men big and tall just because basically they had a few new things in, but I just felt like it wasn't real. It wasn't like the stuff that, like, basically the things that they have, you guys have seen before. So I didn't really go to it on that side this time. But the men's and the women's, man, they killed it. I loved it. Shout out to this store. Shout out to my guy Jonathan, my guy Gary. If I left your name out, please forgive me. I'll get it right next time. But yeah.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just want